Searching for a chance to conduct hands-on laboratory research led this student to CSUSB, and CSUSB led her to a research opportunity at a prestigious Ivy League institution. Guadalupe is a biopsych major who gets involved on campus through Associated Students, Inc. Guadalupe, we can't wait to hear how you're defining the future. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. I have always had a love for psychology and biology, and I knew I wanted to work in a research lab, but I just needed to figure out which one was the perfect fit for me so I can get the hands-on learning experience that I know CSUSB can offer me. The Office of Student Research helped me look through the variety of psychology department labs like conjugative research, personality research, and even catfishing research. In my second year of college, I got accepted into the Psychology Honors Program, and I'm currently conducting my honors thesis project in the field of memory research. I also joined a variety of clubs and programs that begin preparing me for graduate-level research work, like the research program and the undergraduate research training initiative for student enhancement. Within this program, I've been given the opportunity to conduct research at a prestigious Ivy League school, an opportunity that CSUSB has helped me reach. CSUSB has provided me with amazing opportunities and connections in the research world that will help strengthen my applications for graduate school. I also have a very big passion for advocacy work. I currently serve as a board member for the Associated Students Incorporated on campus. This organization is the voice for all students on campus, and within this organization, I've been given the opportunity to represent the students in the College of Social and Behavioral Science. I work closely with the deans and students to ensure we are providing them with the best resources to help them succeed and navigate their college journey. This campus has given me so much support, and with all this information, I aim to support others. If you want to experience hands-on learning, be a part of advocacy initiatives, network with a diverse group of students, and become a mentor for others, then CSUSB is the campus for you. Now back to you, Alex.
Fantastic job, Guadalupe. Your many contributions to student success through your advocacy work has been impressive. CSUSB's graduate programs produce leaders and professionals in a wide range of fields, with nearly 40 different master's programs, 9 credentials, and even a doctorate in education. Amazing. Take care.